So extremely good college with respect to great campus, 102 acres and in large number of departments, like 17 plus of them, right? So this is just for the introduction. I'll go straight away to the to the part of which is related with the placement. So before going to the placement, we should understand the placement, how many students got placed, and what are the total number of seats available, right? So this college, this like JSS Science and Technology University, has actually many codes within the KCET, right? And I get a lot of questions from students and regarding that, right? So and some of the courses are aided, some of the courses are unaided. So let's start understand the total number of seats, right? So this is for the undergraduate program. CET code is 21. So you see within E21, this is the aided course, right? So the lesser with the lesser fees, right? And the fees I have covered with a different video. So you give 60 seats per branch, right? So you can see. And then this year, starting, there was a new CET code E284 is introduced. So this was not in the previous year, but this year it is introduced. It's called E284. So this E284 code also has plus new commutative code E58. So these two also had a 60. So you see three codes in this sheet itself, and the total seats of aided plus one seat extra of unaided is around 580. So I'll go to, but the all other unaided courses are in the next sheet. So this is 580 seats. And if you go further, these are the unaided codes, right? So CET unaided code is 057 and Comet K is 061. So within this, again, you see 660 seats, right? Basically, computer science has more seats of 180, and other branches have less, right? So it's all 60. So if you add the computer science seat itself between the two sheets, right? So you will see minus the one which was introduced this year, 60. You see 180 in this sheet plus 60 in the other sheet. So you can believe that 240 students are there studying CSE, at least 180 plus 60 in that, and another 60 are getting added this year. So this, from this year, it will be 300 students. Now let's see what is the, and you see other branches are 60. So it's easy to compare, how did they do branch wise, right? So if you see total number of offers, right? Sorry, before that, total number of seats, if you add the two sheets, 580 plus 660, it's around 1200 plus seats, right? So with 1200 plus seats, right, within this college, these are the total number of offers, every year. So you can see it's 800, 850, 870 and all those, right? So it's not even 900. So out of 1250, 1260 students, right, 900, close to 900 get job. That means there is not a 100% placement which exists anywhere in the any college, right? It's always 70 to 80%, which even placement which exists in IITs or lower rung IITs or lower rung NITs also. It is 70 to 80%, right? So here you can understand 876 students out of close to 1280 or 1270 students, right? So and that is constant, but the placements are constant. Now you see the branch wise, right? So you saw, right, 240 students are studying computer science. So out of 240, 177 students are getting placed. That means even a computer science, and it's possible that other students are not going for placements, they are going for higher studies and so on. But out of 240 students, 177 got placed, and rest of the branches, similarly information science, if you add into two sheets, it's a 120 seats. So 120 seats, 73 students got placed. That means others may be going for higher education or they are not placed. If you similarly you go for ECE, and other branches, so top four branches are still fine, but slowly if you move towards EE, right? So EE out of 120, 70. And if you go to further down, you see on the exterior on the right side, right, the branches like IP, which has 60 plus 60, 120 seats, and then total number of people got placed is 31. PST, environmental, civil, see the biotechnology, only one student got placed out of 120 students, right? 60 is aided, 60 unaided, right? And similarly for the CTM, which is the construction management, right? So 20 students. So you should be aware that even the cutoff may be low for these branches, but you will not get the job from these branches unless you want to do an MTech and PhD. Then those are the different routes, or you want to do an MBA, then it's a different route. But the placement is not guaranteed, beyond CS, even CS, is around 80 to 90%. So you should be agreeing to that. The total number of seats in these colleges are very high, 1200 plus seats, actually 1300 seats, right? And 890, 870 students gets placed, right? And now coming to the branch wise cutoff for branch wise highest salary. So CSC, the highest salary is 33 lakhs, right? So that's good. EC 22 lakhs, it's also good. Information science, beyond information science, you see the cutoff, higher salary of these colleges will be way up. Even at the top colleges for these branches will be very low. So you see mechanical 10 and civil and all will be 5.5. So the question is, you want to study civil in this college with the average salary of 5.5 lakhs, or you want to study a computer science with a different college whose highest salary is 5.5 lakhs. So I will say better go for those, right? Civil, polymer, environmental, industrial, those are not the things which you should study here. Better go for CSC, ISC courses in the other colleges, right? So even big brand names like this will not be able to help on that. Now coming to the list of companies, so you have all the list of good companies, so that I don't have any to say about. So 250 plus companies are visiting this campus, and it's all best companies. So companies are best, highest salaries are best, and these are the placement figures which they give part of the NIRF declaration. So even here, if you see the total number of students passing is even less, 828, and the placements around 500 and plus odd. So even if there is a difference in data between what they submit to the government, but the median salary is 5 lakhs, so that is decent. Median salary is 5 lakhs. And you saw the the other now start with the NIE, and the National Institute of Engineering in Mysore. So again, this is also a super, super, high best in class college, and this is the same college where Narayan Murthy has also studied. So you know the type of alumni this college as base has. So started in 46, AICTE approval 86, and NAC A category similar to JSS, and BT affiliation from 1998, and so on. So this is the college infrastructure, this is a building. And then the one which I said, this is all, both of them are the top NIRF rank colleges. So both of them are in top 200. There is no difference absolutely on this. And other courses offered are also similar in the world class, category, right? With all good infrastructure and good academic, semester options, right? So now directly come to the again to the seats part of it. It's very important to understand the seats, right? How do you get it, right? So aided seats are 399, 400, that means unaided are 200, close to 600 seats are through Karnat KCET, 126 from Comet K and 126 from management quota, total 860 and odd seats, right? So you see this is also as a big seat matrix, right? So say 800 plus students, right, total, including 126 from the management quota. Now you come to the placement part of it, branch wise years given here, right? So come of 2019 20, right? So if you see the CSC part, right, in terms of if I go back to the seat matrix, right, from the 120 seats, close to 117 recruited is the thing you should look into, how many people got recruited. So recruited are 117, so which is decent, looks decent, and 117 looks decent. Average package is 7.5 lakhs, similar to what we saw in JSS. Average package was there also good. 7.5 ISC or average package is also good, 6.8, and 5 EC average package is also good, 5.5. EEE is 4, 4.7, and the other branches are 4 and below. So first 3-4 branches you can see average package is 5 and the above, right? And the number of placements is also very good in NIE, right? So you can see 116 for ISC, EC 104 students. Triple E onwards, you see the number of students who got placed is very low, right? Triple E is 37, mechanical is still good, 77, but we have to compare with the total number of seats in the previous, so that way you will come to know about the percentage, right? And but overall it looks like good. And the highest package, if you see from the branch wise, CSC is also 30 lakhs, which is similar to this. ISC got more than CSC, which is 46.5 lakhs. EC at 30 lakhs is good. So this figures looks bigger than the placement pictures which we have seen in JSS, right? So in terms of higher salary as well as median salary. Triple E, the highest salary was 11 lakhs. There also it was 9-10 lakhs. So overall it looks like little bit placement side, I will say little bit NIE has edge, as the number of students are also low. There are more possibilities of you getting the placement, good placement here, right? And if I say from the NRF data what they submitted, there the median salary was 5 lakhs. Here also the median salary is 5 lakh. That way it is good. There, 759 students out of 759, 530 got job in NI Mysore. So this also looks 70 to 80% similar to what we have seen in. So total percentage of placement is both places 70 to 80%, right? Because of, but the top 4 branches will have maximum percentage of say 80, 90, 95%, right? So that is how we have to consider. Even the median salary, if you see, it was 4.23 lakhs and now 5, right? So it's also increasing, but not at that great pace. So in the median salary, both the colleges are same. In the highest salary, more or less both the colleges are same, but the total percent placement, number of seats in JSS is more, so it's more difficult there to get better placement, right? In terms of capacity, it's very high. Here there are 1300 students, here it's a 850 students. So but the one thing is that in both the colleges, even the lower rank branches are not the one which you can take right comfortably. Now the companies, it is same good companies both the places, and are good to go, and now, thank you for watching this. I hope you had got the placement, branch wise comparison, percentage wise comparison, total seat with respect to seat matrix, and you take decision based on placement. Otherwise, NIRF ranking, infrastructure, both colleges are very good. I think student life is also very good in both of them, and science and technology university is a university, so it has a different environment altogether. So thanks for watching, and please do keep subscribing, and best of luck to you guys for both Comet K and the KCT final rounds. So take care.